In this video, I want to show you how to use a chemical stripper to remove paint and finishes. This tutorial, you will need a paintbrush to apply the stripper, a spackle knife to scrape away the old finish, and a chemical stripper of some sort. I'm using Citrus Strip, which is a very mild, biodegradable stripper, so I could use it indoors with very little fumes. Safety equipment includes rubber gloves and goggles. First step is to pour a generous amount of the stripper on your workpiece. Then, with your foam brush, spread it around. Once you've spread the stripper on your workpiece, all you need to do now is let it sit. If you're using a normal, very aggressive stripper, it will start eating away at your finish immediately. You shouldn't have to wait more than about 10 minutes. If you're using Citrus Strip or another biodegradable, mild type stripper, it could take up to 24 hours to remove a thick layer of finish. From the instructions on the bottle, it's completely normal for this to take a full day. The benefit of a mild stripper is it won't create a bunch of fumes or extensive damage, but it comes with the expense of time, so you're just gonna have to wait longer. Also, if you accidentally get any aggressive stripper on you, you will know immediately because it'll start eating away at your skin and you'll feel it. It'll feel like an ant bite or something similar. I suggest having a damp towel around you at all times, and just in case you accidentally rub against it, you don't notice it until it starts hurting very badly. That way you can immediately wipe it off. Also, I'm not wearing gloves in this demonstration, but always wear gloves and goggles when handling stripper. The instructions for Citrus Strip say to put plastic over this if there's a chance of it evaporating. If it evaporates, you're just gonna have to apply another layer. Once you've let your stripper sit for a while, it's best to do a little test section to see if it's coming up already. If this is normal stripper, this won't take long. If you're using Citrus Strip, you should probably wait at least 6 hours because it does take quite a bit. If it's a thin layer of latex paint, it should only take about 30 minutes. This was a very thick layer of oil-based finish, so I knew this would take at least 24 hours. Once you've tested it and know the stripper has done its job, all you need to do is scrape away all of the old finish and stripper. All I'm doing to collect this is to put it in a paper towel. You could also use a brush of some sort. A toothbrush will work. I have a brass brush right here, so I'm just going to scrape like this. This gets into the cracks and creases of the wood and removes anything else. At this point, you're done. All you need to do is let this evaporate. Before you begin work on this wood, such as sanding, it's best to wipe it with a cloth soaked in mineral spirits. And that is how you use a chemical stripper. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe.